my name is Harshit. You are watching Digital Geek. So let's get started. So about VPN services, we already know that a paid VPN is more secure than a free VPN. Free VPN can be used in many scenarios like bypassing security, access to those restricted websites, security purposes, and data saving, etc. The first app in the list is Proton VPN. It is the best app out there. It offers a lot of security feature and other feature also. Now you still need to create an account for Proton VPN. I already created my account, but the limitation of that app is you can use single device per email account. However, you do not need any limitation of data and amount of data you use. My main reason why the Proton app is on the top because it is the one of the most secured VPN. Next app in the list is Tunnel View. In this app, you only get 500 MB data free for a month, and that's it. A single tweet to the company gives an additional GB of data per month, and it has access to 24 different location servers. This particular apps give you feature called Ghost Beer. I'll tell you, this is Ghost Beer, which is basically a feature that hides your location from your ISP or your government. And the list is Hotspot Shield. It is a good VPN service, but you have lots of restriction or limitation for free version. And the biggest one being that your location is restricted to only US. If you want US location, then you can go for it. You only get 750 MB data per day. In a free plan, you can use up to 5 devices, which is great. Another app in the list is Butternut VPN. The VPN has a cute and neat interface and very easy to use. You can call this VPN a simplified version of Hotspot Shield. There are many different servers available in this app, and the biggest advantage of this app is you can have unlimited data for free version. But there is a downfall to this app because it does not meet any security encryption protocol that were used in earlier apps. Basically, you want a VPN without any limit and easy to use. That's an easy choice for you. Finally, the last VPN on the list is Hide.me VPN. The VPN has been around for a long time for now, but still one of the best free VPN out there. If you ask me, it is the one of the most secure VPN as well, encrypting your data from protocol like OpenVPN and IKEV2. But now you only get 2 GB data per month for free version. It also have a feature like split tunneling. Guys, those were the top 5 VPN apps for Android and iOS. All these apps are free and secured. You can use whatever you like. I know there are many free VPN app out there. The reason we don't recommend those apps is because they are very less secure. The data speed is less and you have to waste so much of your data. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Wait, where are you going? Don't go without subscribing. I'm a small YouTuber, need your support to grow. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until then, see you in the next video.